Hi everyone, it's me, Bincy Jacob with Keller Williams Memorial. Welcome back to Lakes of Savannah to 5204 Amber Sky. This gorgeous house not only has 2 bedrooms downstairs, 3 bedrooms upstairs, beautiful layout with 2 kitchens, but you also get this amazing backyard with a private, no neighbors in the back, just for you, minutes from downtown and Texas Medical Center. To see this home or to sell your home, give me a call today. This is Bincy saying welcome home to Houston.